to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today's video I have already shot, and I have to say this was not a good day for me. Actually, it was not a good couple of days. I could not get any composition that I wanted or desired. I scraped this canvas 3 times before I ended up getting what I got today. Today I'm doing a wrecked ring pour. I haven't done any ring pours or wrecked ring pours or anything in a long time. So I just wanted to head back over to basics. So I'm working on a 24 by 24 gallery wrap canvas. But wow, like, you know, don't get frustrated when you are making something and it doesn't turn out the way you want. It's okay. It's just paint. I said every swear word under the sun, and maybe one of these days I'll have a blooper reel and you'll get to see that kind of stuff, but not today. Don't get down on yourself. Don't beat yourself up. And most importantly, don't compare your work to other people's. I had this idea in my head that I was trying to do, and it just wasn't working out. So what I decided to do, just to go back to basics. Let's do a good old-fashioned ring pour, but I decided I'm going to wreck it. So let's get down on the canvas. I'll explain the colors and we'll get started. All right, so let's get down on the canvas. All right, everyone. I have had one heck of a time in the studio, and I'm using heck to be polite. This poor canvas might be cursed. This is the last time I'm going to paint on it. I have scraped this canvas 3 times. So this is it. Today I'm going to do just a wrecked ring pour, but I want to do a little spinning action with it. So I am going to wreck the heck out of it. I am going to use a light blue that you see on the canvas because this is what the color has made from my colors of scraping this canvas so many times. So I've created a lot of flow extender today. I am going to use a purple that I used, UltraMarine from Amsterdam, mixed with permanent red violet Amsterdam. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is a pink, fluorescent pink that is from Pebeo Studio Acrylics. I have my white, titanium white. Got some leftover gold. I've got some Prussian blue from Golden. And I've got my turquoise green from Amsterdam. I'm gonna need about 21 ounces of paint for this. Which equates to about a little over 2 cups. And I've got a huge measuring cup here that goes up to 4 cups. So I'm gonna fill it up to 3, and then I am gonna wreck it like crazy. I am going to start off with some purple. Some fluorescent pink. Some white. Gold. Prussian. Turquoise. I'm actually going to use a little bit of this blue in the base. Let's do that again. going to turn my cup. I just want to see what's going to happen here. All right, so that is now 3 cups of paint. Now I'm going to pour into this base color. And I'm going to have a lot of paint on this canvas, so that's okay. Just give it a little spin there. So I'm going to do a ring pour right here in the center. Should start big. So now I am just going to wreck the heck out of it. So I'm going to start here. Let's rotate it this way. Go on the diagonal. And we'll go on this diagonal. Give this a spin, see where all this goes. What I'm going to do is I need to go down this a little bit. Down a little bit this way. right, here we are with the wet result. So it definitely created those like tree branch feels to me. The way it kind of goes from the bottom left up to the right, almost looks like tree branches. But good way to use up some excess leftover colors. I've had so much colors left over. So let me bring you in here. All right, everyone, that's going to do it for today. So this dried really great. The only issue I take with this is it's too dark. There's not enough contrast going on. I like my pink that's going through there and the gold. I just think it didn't come out prominent enough. And that has more to do with how I wrecked it than it had to do with how I was layering out the paints and how I put them in the cup. I should have, instead of doing just straight back and forths, I probably should have done more like loops and things like that. So that probably would have allowed those other colors to come back through. So now I know, but overall, I like the composition. It's really cool, actually. So I'll put some gloss varnish on it and we'll see how it goes from there. All right, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you next time. Have a great week. Bye-bye.